Hey YouTube, Brandon MC here. Today I'm here with a tutorial on how to make your own Craft Bukkit server. So first off, you're going to want to get the newest Craft Bukkit build. I'll have a link for that in the description. And then you're going to want to put it in any folder, name it server. It doesn't really matter. It's named Craft Bukkit. So after you have that, you're going to make a new text document, notepad. Just name it Craft Bukkit Starter. Just open that up. Now there are I believe two codes, and this is the code for 64-bit Java JRE7. Now I'll leave other codes in the description for 32-bit and JRE6, but this is one that is for my version, so 64-bit JRE7. After you put that code in, you're going to want to go save as Craft Bukkit Starter. Now you want to put .bat right after that and save it as all files. Okay, you can press save, and now you can close that, delete this, yes. Now you're going to go click your other Craft Bukkit build, press rename, and you're just going to want to copy that and edit this again and change the name of this, your craftbukkit.jar, to the build that you have. So just like that, Craft Bukkit 1.2.5 R3.0.jar. So now you can save that, close that, and start that. So now, as this is preparing spawn, you can just wait for that to finish. Now, this is just creating these files here, which will help your server run. So once that's done, just type in stop. Now, this is how you're going to want to end. Like, when you're done running your server, that's how you're going to want to stop it every time, otherwise your world could get corrupt, or your world could be deleted. So now, you're going to want to go to your server's property file, and just go into your search bar, go to your CMD, and type in IP config. Now you should have this. Now just scroll up to where it says wireless LAN adapter, wireless network connection. Right here it says IPv4 address 192.168.1.108. That's mine. Yours may be different. Now this can also change, so if your server ever stops working, that should be the first thing that you should check. So you're going to want to put that into your server IP. 2.168.1.108. There you go. And now this, you're all done with this, it's fine. Now this determines whether it's going to be like cracked or just online. Online mode, if it says as true, A is uncracked, and if you want it to be cracked, you just put in false. And now if you have a world, you can change the world name to whatever your world is. Difficulties. Okay, so 0 is peaceful, 1 is easy, 2 is normal, and 3 is hard. Game mode 0, survival, 1 is creative, and 2, I believe, is hardcore. You can change max players, message of the day, the usual. You can just play around with this stuff. Now I suggest leaving the port on 25565 unless you have a different port that you would like to use. So after that, you can just save your server properties. And then from there, you're going to want to open a new tab and put in your router IP. Now, my router IP is 192.168.1.1. That is the, just usual IPs. The mine is a Linksys router. If you have one of those, just try that. And now the usual login is just admin, and the password is also just admin. So you can log on in, and then go over to applications and gaming. Now your port forwarding section may be different on your router, and it varies between routers. Now you're going to name your application Minecraft. Now you can start with 25564 and end on 25566. That is the only way it has worked for me, but you can also do 25565 to 25565. It doesn't really matter. Now you can go to protocol, make sure it's on both. Now the end of your IPv4, mine was 108, so I had to put 108 in my IP address. So now you're going to enable that and just press save settings. your settings are successful. Now you're done with that. And now your server is set up. Now you just want to start Craft Bukkit Server right there. Okay, now you can log in to your Minecraft. Now, when you go to your, see, it says your server's running. Now you connect with your personal IPv4 and anybody in your IP range. So if you have friends who are playing at your house or your brothers or anything, they connect with this. Now, your friends, you have to go to a website like cmyip.com, and now you should get your IP, and this is the IP that you're going to give to your friends. This is what they connect with. Alright, and now your server is fully working. If there's any errors, just leave them in the description. I'll make frequently asked questions for it, and that is all. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your servers.